Oh, Baba looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it fucking touched it 5 times, Rom. Adam, you think it's not gonna break today? I know, I know. Risk to reward is okay though. See, where did I get this level from? Light indicators. I have a level at 109.60. Why do I have a level there? 109.60. I have a level there. I gotta go on daily chart. I like 109.60, Adam. I don't know why. I got a level there. Yeah, there you go. I got it at 109.60. You got it at 109.44. So wait until that level hits. I got it at like 109.60. Yo, call me crazy, guys. I like Lucid also. Lucid has a really nice 3-to-1 R to R. I know it's a piece of shit dumpster, but 4%, 5% going down, and about 12% going up. So 3-to-1 R&R shares only. Lucid.
I don't like Lucid.
I know it's disgusting though. It's a $2 stock.
I hate Lucid. I hate all EV stocks.
No. But downside 4.5, 5%. Upside 12%. That's not bad. That's not bad. Risk to reward, baby. All right. Fuck all this shit. Honestly, it's all SPY, guys. SPY.
Here we go. We're off to the races. Lobo, hold on.
Guys, it's a bullish market. Just buy calls and we'll make money.
Lobo, you ready? This one's going to be great. I can feel it. Oh, yeah.
I don't like it. I'm doing another one.
Do another one. Bulls are stepping in already.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Fucking
I like
Bulls
six.
parade.
I like 615.50. I want to see if they head to 615.50 today to try to go long.
Guys, Q's is right below its 5-day moving average. Q's 5-day moving average is 547.87. Oh yeah, rejection, baby.
Who went long on Teslas? I think somebody bought Tesla yesterday, right?
Adam bought it.
Nice. Tesla's up $12.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
QQQ is pushing.
Here you go.
QQQ is pushing. Oh man, I kind of want to jump in a freaking call. I know it's early. Let's wait. Let's wait another candle. See if we get pre-market low first. SPY's selling off. QQQ's at the top. What's their game plan today? I have 617 calls on my screen. I'm about to just try this little scalperoonie. Let's see if this works. QQQ is at the top looking bullish. I like pre-market low. 616.50s. But I'm in 617s. I just flipped into the money. QQQ is making a run to PCP.
We're in a meat grinder zone, guys. Last week's highs in PEOC. I'm not participating in this. I would actually go short here, guys.
I'm up 10 cents here. I'm going to take some off. I'm up 10 cents. Oh, I just got fucking robbed.
I'm just saying, guys, there's nothing here. We need to break out or break down.
We're going to break out.
Sloping resistance.
We're going to break out.
Sloping resistance to last week's highs, guys. There's nothing here. Small little range, so I'm gonna wait. Be patient.
We're going to break out. I just got off the phone with Jeff. Jeff said we're going to go to PCP. I'm only in 50 contracts now. QQQ's looking crazy bullish.
I think you and I switch roles, buddy.
No, I like the power that Qs are showing, and then SPY had a nice pullback, so good little risk to reward to see if we flip view up. I'm up like nothing on the day here though. Just a little baby scalp. I took my profit on my runners immediately just in case this candle happened. But I think we should get a little push north.
I think we go flat, guys. Leave it alone for now. There's nothing here. Macro conditions dictated that we're gonna go flat today. Tops and bottoms only.
You're a macro condition. Okay, I got my lunch. I'm up 25 bucks.
I'm just looking at the macro conditions, guys. Everything is flat. Look at the conditions on the 15-minute, guys. Look at the conditions on the 30-minute, guys.
QQQ just hit
flat.
QQQ just hit previous close and rejected to a T. So I'm thinking we're going to try to touch pre-market low. Pre-market.
That would have been a great short, guys. I did say I wanted to go short. Damn it. Leave it alone. Meat grinder.
No, I'm getting some treatment. I didn't get out of it. I'm down 400 bucks here. Pre-market low, I'm going to go back to full-size position and see if we get a bounce. Actually, I'm going to hit it here.
Oh, shit. I forgot my parents have puts. I'm such an irresponsible fuck.
I'm back to full size. Contracts are slow today. QQQ's pulling back. Squeeze is bearish. I think we get a little push north. I'm green here. Let's see. I like the power Q's is showing today. We got to flip POC. POC. We got no news or nothing, right?
I believe there is news.
10:15 European news. That's it. QQQ is trying to push through PCP. I'm up 400 bucks. I'm gonna try.
What's the call ratio? Is that even?
I'm gonna try to hold this to a POC. There we go. Going long.
Wow, look at IWM dumpster fire today.
Going long off the opening print, baby. As soon as I get my 10 cents, I'm out of here. Here we go. $1,000. And then we reject POC again. I just took some off just in case. If we flip POC, we should have a nice push to view up. That's what I think now. QQQ's at the tippity top. I got my finger on sell, just in runners.
QQQ is approaching its major sloping resistance, guys.
Yeah, 547.
Monday's high.
I like 547 level. There
major sloping resistance approaching on QQQ, guys.
Here we go. Here we go. Thank you very much. Get my lunch.
There's nothing here, guys.
There's no continuation on these candles. That's a problem.
Don't get excited, guys. This is the meat grinder zone, as I told you. No trades here.
What do you mean don't get excited? You just said, oh, I called out the best put. I just went long off the bottom. It's the same trade.
Buddy, there's 50 cents increments. Stop.
What are you talking about?
There's nothing here.
I'm
You're
up.
becoming a degen right now.
No, I'm not. I'm up fucking $900. How is that degen?
I could also put 500 bucks in blackjack and be a degen.
It's not degen. Look at QQQ. I have a reason I'm long right now. I have a reason I'm long. I didn't just buy longs blindly. Look at the Qs.
Q's is right at sloping resistance, guys. This is huge resistance on Q's.
I just sold $1,100 degen trade. I'm out. Degen trade. 1,100. Blackjack.
Good job.
Fuck off.
I would go short here, guys, because of QQQ. QQQ is at major sloping resistance. I would go short here, but I'm not doing it. This is a meat grinder zone for SPY.
Dude, people probably think we're nuts.
I don't care. I
wouldn't
made their salary in
I
one
wouldn't
day.
go short here. Look at the Qs, buddy. Stop being a blackjack player.
This is major resistance on Qs.
If we pull back and put in a higher low, I'm going long again. They're going to take this sucker up today. Look at the power. Look at the power Qs has. Yeah. Here we go. Should have held it.
I swear I want to go short right now. Look at the Qs, guys.
Risk to reward says we blast a previous close right now.
I would go short here, guys.
I'm not short.
I just don't like SPY.
I'm not short.
I just don't like SPY.
We're going to go to previous close, or at least to the 200. Fuck, I bottom ticked this thing, dude. Damn it.
I would go short.
Did anybody hit calls with me on my degen trade? So far, is the best play of the day.
Look at QQQ, pulled back off a sloping resistance. I wanted to go short. Just the risk to reward is nothing here, guys. This is a huge cluster zone.
Good morning, Tech. Dimitri, don't be a perma bear. I bet you they take this back up that where we've been sideways at for the last 2 days.
I hope they take it to 6,000 today.
I hope we close at 6. I bet you we close at 618 somewhere in there today. It's gonna be a sideways bullshit day.
There's nothing here, guys. I'm telling you, conditions are going to be sideways for a while right now. I'm looking at the macro conditions. They're all sideways.
Apple.
Reserve your buying energy.
Station. What is Apple? I think we're gonna fucking break out right now. I'm all cash. I'm not in anything. Dimitri's being mean to me already. It's like 2 minutes into market open. QQQ just formed demand above previous close. And SPY is still bullish. I got 618 puts on my screen. I want them to do like a breakout candle first.
IV is super low, guys. Chart says that we're gonna meat grinder. I'm not trading right now, guys. Nothing here.
I just jumped in 618 puts. I want them to touch POC and then I sell. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you very much. Degens
Wow,
unite.
we're not respecting the VWAP or
I'm
the
out.
POSP or the.
I just sold 2200. Dude, you just got to get your little lunch boxes. You just got to scalp your lunch.
There's nothing here, buddy.
What are you talking about? I fucking just shorted. I caught the bottom for calls and I just shorted the top. What are you talking about? Where's your confidence at?
I'm going to show you my weekly P&L.
No, I don't care about that.
There's nothing here, Ryan. There's literally nothing here. Look at the conditions on the 5-minute chart. Look at the conditions on the 15-minute chart. Look at the conditions.
Buddy, any other day,
30-minute.
you'd
There's nothing here.
be scalping like crazy. But
There's
I
nothing
don't know
here.
what it is with you this week. You get into like one big ass fucking monster position and then hold it. You like changed your trading style this week. Go back to scalping. You make fucking a crazy amount of money scalping.
Nothing here, guys, as you can see. Nothing. Anybody would never catch your trades, though. You understand? I'm in. I'm out. By the time they're
I
already
just
looking at the
alerted.
option
I
chain.
said 618 puts I'm looking at. I jumped in them and then sold that POC. That was my plan, and it worked. We're gonna break out now.
I just don't like the zone. 617.50 to last week's highs. I hate the zone.
Adam catches my plays. There's the breakout candle. Let's see if they flip previous close or not.
QQQ's breaking sloping resistance.
Fucking Lunchables, baby. Give me a fucking Lunchable. QQQ's already moonshotting. Sloping resistance been broken since fucking 937. Breakfast of Champions. Yeah, dude, I used to rock Lunchables. That slimy ass ham. Ugh.
I like the pizza one. Yeah, it was good.
That slimy fucking ham. Ham sandwich. Look at the power. Look at the power. Let's take a look at the ratio. What are they doing? It is pretty even. The ratio is pretty even.
This is basically the top of the zone, guys. We break this, we're going to 618.
Whatever, Adam. I thought you were going to stick up for me. Fucker.
I made 0 trades yet. I don't like this zone, guys. I want to preserve what I made, and I want to have a good weekend. I'm sorry.
You're going to have a great weekend.
Take my measly little paycheck for the last fucking 2 days.
$100,000 fucking week. My great weekend as a millionaire. Dangerous game shorting previous close. I'm not going to do it. I don't know if they're going to launch through it or not. If they do launch through it, I'm looking at 618.40s, somewhere in there. 618.40, 618.60. We have a higher low on the chart. QQQ's bullish. Wow, are they going to just squeeze today?
QQQ still below its 5-day moving average. It did reject it.
Qs are bullish in my opinion. Intraday though, extremely bullish. 548.15. If they poke through that, then they're off to the races. 548s. Every pullback's been a good buy so far. What was the max pain for today? Did you look?
I can look. Let's see. Max Pain.
I wonder if they're going to just squeeze this sucker all day.
Max Pain today is 616.
Oh, they're above it.
Today's going to be a disgusting flat day. The conditions on the higher time frame say it. Preserve your buying power. Look at the IVs.
Apple's ripping. Yeah, it is.
30 minutes.
2%. I wish I held my calls from the bottom. Oh well. See if they trap through previous close or POC or not. VWAP POC area. This might be a good another pullback buying opportunity if they hold a little sloping support that we have already. Squeeze is bullish. Cloud conditions are bullish.
Wow, PCC gapped down a lot.
I'm going to jump back in calls. I'm back in calls. 617 calls. I want a fresh high. Contracts aren't really moving fast today.
IV is garbage.
I want a fresh high, and then I hit the sell button. Every pullback so far has been a good buy to go long. I know we're at the top, but VWAP, if we go back to VWAP POC and hold there, I'll go heavier on my position. If they trap through it, that's my exit. Potential bull flag setup here.
I hope you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, guys. There's nothing here, guys. I'm telling you, it's Christmas trees. IVs are so low. Ryan's a professional, but if you're on Robinhood swiping your life away right now, don't trade.
A professional degen gambler.
There's nothing here, guys. This is the meat grinder zone. From PCP to last week's highs, I want the zone to break. This fucking zone is disgusting.
I think they're getting all the puts loaded up at previous close, and they're gonna blast off. It's a bull flag
I
setup.
hope. I want this zone to break.
It's a bull flag setup. They showed
A lot of
weakness.
transactions on the zone.
They showed weakness in pre-market end of day. Got the bears excited, and then I could see them pushing it up back up today. I got like 2 cents here, nothing.
Look what Mark said. Good morning, Mark.
Let's go. Breakout for me. Come on. I know you want to do it. All the bears are shorting this. And give me one nice sharp candle north. Then I'm going to get my lunch and I'm going to book my profit. There's more calls than puts right now. POC just popped in up here. What's their game plan?
I'll tell you what their game plan is. Here, look at this Picasso right here. You see this? That's their
Yeah.
game plan.
Yeah, I was trying to play the breakout if they fucking sent it or not.
Leave it alone, guys. See that little wedge? It's creating a dick.
It's creating a dick. I like this trade still. I like this trade. Everybody's shorting up here. VWAP, best case scenario, we hold VWAP in the 50 somewhere there. If they trap through, I'll exit.
Damn, you became a fucking degen, bro. It's Christmas trees here. Red, green, red, green, red, green.
No, we're gonna break out. Look at the Qs. So much strength on the Qs right now, dude. We're gonna fucking break out. I'm not fucking leaving. Call me a degen.
Use is still below its 5-day moving average.
I don't care about the 5-day. Care about a fucking higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. They're in like a squeeze structure right now. This setup looks like SPY's gonna launch through previous close. If they give me VWAP, I'm gonna double.
Use rejected its 5-day moving average again, guys.
You just want me to lose. Being mean to me today. Right here. They have to hold this. Is this where I double? I doubled. And now slingshot candle through previous close.
We're right where we open, guys. You see now? You understand? Meat grinder?
Here we go. Flip this candle green. Boom, boom, boom. I like this. I still like it. I'm not shit. They didn't shake me out yet. 617.15's got a crack.
I mean, anybody got puts at the top of the channel, guys, of that wedge? You're a champion. Just play tops and bottoms of the wedge, guys.
You're
We're
pissing
gonna
me off
dump right
today.
now to 616.70.
I still like
We're
this
gonna
area
dump
for
right now,
calls.
guys. It's literally wedge. Tops and bottoms of the wedge for now, guys. I'm not trading this.
I'm not leaving. I like this area still. If they lose this, then forget about it. QQQ still looking bullish. I think this is
QQQ needs to get above
I think this is a gift.
548.
I think this is a gift to go long right now.
I want to see 548.12 on QQQ break, guys. That's the 5-day. I just want you guys to understand. SPY is above 5-day, Qs is below 5-day, so we're gonna fucking chop it up. Chop, chop, chop. We need both to be below the 5-day or both to be above the 5-day. Follow the trend indicators also.
Trend's bullish. Intraday, we're bullish right now. Still. I wonder if they're going to do a lightning candle at 10 o'clock. We don't have news, but sometimes algos kick in at 10. I still like this trade. I'm only down 3 cents here. If they flip this green and blast off through POC, we're gonna punch a new high. They're showing sloping resistance now. At the top, QQQ is struggling to break down. Q's breaks PCP, that would probably also be my exit on SPY. They'll drag SPY down, but as of right now, I'm still feeling confident. Let's see what happens in 10 seconds on this 10 o'clock candle. See if they do a lightning candle or not.
Is anyone here that didn't take a trade yet?
I don't think anybody took a trade yet. You're scaring everybody.
I just want to say, I told you so. Look at this meat grinder.
What do you mean you told me so, dude? I'm green as guac right now.
Not you, not you. I'm not telling you. Buddy, 500 fills, baby. Let's go.
This is my
I
third
want to
trade. I'm up
I
3,000.
want to.
Why are you being mean to me
This is
today?
fucking resistance.
You're being mean, bully. Fucking
I'm
bully.
not bullying.
Be a fucking bully. They're gonna break out.
I hope they break out because that's when I'll start trading.
I'm up 1,400 on this position. I'm gonna sell 100 right here. I'm still in 100 for breakout now. I told you guys, best area for call is 617.15. Fucking bully.
Go on.
Sam, you've been saying meat grinder all morning. I see up. I see bullish. Sloping support, higher highs and higher lows. It's a bullish structure. You have such a bearish bias. I'm going to take another 50 off. We're rejecting double top. I'm going to just hold 50 for a breakout if they do it. Fucking meat grinder. I'll give you a meat grinder.
Oh, buddy, those burgers.
POC just popped in again. Looks like we have a strong China wall at previous close. It's making me want to stay in these calls even more. If they try to make this supply look obvious at previous close, they're going to blast through it. So I'm not fucking leaving. 617.15 is my stop. One candle north and I'm hitting sell.
Is anybody looking at the ticks chart right now? Adam, are you looking at the ticks? I've never seen the ticks so low right now and so high, like very low.
Yeah, imagine if they start filling up the gas.
X is just being so stagnant right now. I've never seen.
There you
This is
go.
why I don't want to trade it.
All the bears are fucking loading puts here. Loading puts, and they're gonna blast off. How many times have you seen this play? Double top on QQQ. We're at supply on SPY. Getting everybody bearish, and they're gonna moonshot. There goes QQQ, fresh high. And there goes SPY. I'm about to exit.
And more sense in Qs is at the 5-day. I just want to see what the fuck happens now.
Dude, they're gonna squeeze today. This is a short squeeze setup. Once we get away from this chop zone, it's gonna just be a short. I bet you the chart looks like a big upside down V today. They're gonna take it all the way up and then take it all the way back down.
I doubt. We have zero volume. Guys, are you looking at the ticks chart? Ryan, look at the ticks chart. There's nothing here.
I'm looking
There's
at
no
my
buying. There's
I'm
no...
looking at my fucking P&L right now because I've been long. I'm trying to squeeze a little more juice out of this rock.
No buying here.
Squeeze a little more juice out of this rock, and then I'm hitting sell. I'm trying to get to 4,000 on the day. I'm at 39.25. I need 3 more cents. Come on, Joyce. Give it to me. I'm about to hit sell. About to hit sell.
548.20, guys. Let's see.
Come on. Should I fill it? I'm out. 41.50, 3 trades. Yep. T-Gen.
Good job.
Fucking
good job, guys. I have puts on my screen.
Bully. You fucking bully.
I want the Qs to hit the 5-day. I have puts on my screen. 10 more cents on the Qs.
You're welcome, Sam. Thank you. Thanks for somebody showing me some love here today.
We love you.
What are you going to do? Short this? Short the bullishness? Short the breakout?
Soon.
We got orange folder. What was it? 10.15, right? Yeah. It's European. That's right, Dimitri. You're going to make me feel like shit anyway. You're probably going to hit one trade and make like 50,000. Be like, see, I fucking told you.
Soon. We're finally out of the zone. And Qs is about to reach his 5-day moving average.
Look at the bullishness. Guys, look at the bullishness. I wouldn't step in front of this freight train. There's no reason to fucking short this now.
Guys, I'm in puts. I just got filled.
Oh, that's good.
This is my level. I'm in puts, guys. I don't have same days. I have a week out.
Here we go.
I just got filled. And
give it like 10 minutes. I'm adding. As you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you find out.
I got puts exactly at the Q's 5-day moving average, guys. That's the reason I got puts. And this is a rejection zone on SPY. I'm going to be holding these for a little bit, guys. I'm very green right now.
Oh, yeah, you're very green. I'm gonna bust your balls all day today because you're being mean to me. QQQ still wants to go higher. If we pull back and hold previous close, I might go long again.
Q's is right at its 5-day moving average again. Q's is struggling right now. But Q's could break the fuck out right now, but I'm not playing that. I'm a bear. As Ryan likes to say.
You are. You're a perma bear.
I'm not a perma bear.
Did you exit Robinhood?
No. No, it's a month out, buddy.
But you're green on them, no?
I have 617 end of month puts. I just wanted to see at the low of day how much I had. It was only 4,000.
I want us to
I
pull
want to
back.
get a nice
I
position.
want us to pull back a little deeper, and I'm gonna go long. Maybe POC somewhere in there.
Q's is struggling, but Q's could break out right now like crazy. This is a 5-day for Q's again. I could get my ass handed to me right now. Like Q's breaks out.
I need to look at a higher time frame. This market just looks bullish to me. $618.40 price target.
618.08 is very strong.
618.40.
Q's is breaking out of its 5-day moving average, guys. Q's looking like it wants to skyrocket. I was playing the reverse card. If they would make it a resistance, they're not making it a resistance. But if you guys go left,
Ryan. Oh, Ryan, you're funny.
yeah, but look at yesterday, 10-16, 12-15,
He said,
and
played yourself,
12-54.
dog. That's what you get for being a bully. Making fun of me.
I'm down $100. Relax.
No, I can't. I know Dimitri's gonna end up printing fucking 20K today, just because I'm firing him up now. I really don't want to trade like super heavy today, and tomorrow obviously is gonna be probably the biggest meat grinder tomorrow, half a day. So whatever move they do today, I'd expect them to reverse it for tomorrow and just burn it sideways. QQQ is very bullish now, extremely bullish.
Yeah. QQ broke its 5-day.
Conditions have been bullish since market open, guys. It's been higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we're having a breakout. We had a small pullback. We didn't even come back and test previous close, and they're still pushing north. There's no reason to short this, in my opinion.
Correct.
But you're
32,
playing your
67.
macro level. I'm just for same day options purposes for cycles. It's been bullish.
But are you looking left where we are right now?
Yeah,
From yesterday?
I'm looking at 618.40 if they flip this.
Look at these
618.40.
mountains that we had yesterday.
Yeah, no. Makes sense, but look at the cues, dude.
Okay.
We're in a freaking squeeze. They're in a squeeze. Every pullback so far has been a good buy to go north. If we could break through previous close and try to get through POC, then yeah, structure is going to change. But POC is going to be still pullback, good pullback to go long. Ever do SPX lottos at 349 with 10 contracts? Kind of fun. Risk to reward seems good. 349. No, those things just, dude, those things will evaporate. You have to be like chasing a candle for those things to actually work, Adam, at that time. Just because if it's the same day, those things just
No, but
evaporate.
if you're in the right direction, the delta does not change, don't forget, but the theta destroys the contract. If you're in the right move, you can make like 100% in one or two candles.
Max loss?
But if you're
No, dude.
yeah, if you're in the
10,
wrong move, you'll lose everything in a minute.
1049 or 1049, 349, Joey, 10 contracts, they're still going to be, if they're going to be stupid, they're not going to move. Same days, Adam? Let me look at something here. You're talking a 349 strike? What strike are you talking about? I'm confused. You're just asking if have I ever hit a same day SPX out the money at 349? No. I don't recommend. You need to be chasing a candle. Yeah. No, I get what you're saying now, 10 minutes before close. But, dude, the theta, just pull up the contracts today and watch the contracts at 349. Watch what damage they get done to them. If they just go sideways, like this price action right here, you would lose 10 cents increments by the candle, even if they're just sideways. They just get completely shredded. It's like you need like power momentum moves. QQQ is officially in a bullish buying algo. They're squeezing. FYI. Contracts are only 10 cents. Yeah, dude, you're basically hoping or gambling that you're going to get a crazy move if it's calls or puts. Yeah. But your delta is terrible, dude. Delta's terrible on out the money. You're better off gambling one contract at the money. And it'll move a hell of a lot faster. You're going to have to pay $700 or $800 for it. What is your 10-cent contract like? Because the problem is, dude, one candle in the wrong direction, that premium is worth 0.1 cent. They're done. They'll be smoked. I don't touch SPX under $8. It's like trading 80 cent contracts on SPY. I don't typically try to trade under 80-cent contracts on SPY. The risk to
Those are
reward's there.
expensive.
Huh?
Those are expensive contracts. $800 a contract.
Yeah, but it's the same thing as like buying SPY at 80 cents. They're so close. Like if you get caught in the wrong move on an $8 contract on SPX, that thing can go to $2, $3 very fast. Dimitri, do you want me to tell you that they're squeezing, or do you see that?
This is resistance area. Look at the mountains that we made yesterday. This is
I'm,
resistance area.
I'm just waiting for you to say that you're adding. That's all.
Buddy, this is resistance area. This is the best level for puts, guys. Look
POC,
left.
POC just popped.
Look at the 3 mountains at this time, guys, we made. At this level, I mean. There's a fucking triple top for what? Fucking 3 hours yesterday.
Are you
This is the
heavy?
best level. I have 100 contracts.
Oh. QQQ squeezing. Bullish. Not me. I buy contracts from 150 to 3 o'clock. Have to catch the momentum, as you mentioned. Those contracts move too, as long as there is momentum. Yeah. Dude, it's momentum. Are you talking SPX stats? That's for me. That's the only way I could trade 0-day SPX is just momentum. Oh, contract price, 150 to. It's just, dude, that's just scary, man. Because if you get caught in a wrong move on that, those contracts are gonna evaporate. That's the thing. $150 SPX contract is that's just it's nothing. Yeah, it's fine if you're trying to just catch like a gamble, you know. It's more of like a lottery play. But I'm telling you, dude, if you hit it when the price was right at the right time, even with one contract, if you bought correct premiums, you can make $4 or $5 on your premiums. You're not going to do $4 or $5 on a shitty like SPX out the money contract that's going to evaporate. Valley breaking out. I have no idea what Valley even is.
Again on SPY. POC just came in. There's nothing here also.
You could have went long with me at open, Choi. Sorry. Look at that big volume candle. What's their game plan? I don't see a reason to try to short this yet until they take out like they got to actually crack like 617.80s. If you guys are trying to short, I would go.
I mean, this is a major one.
Yeah.
This is major level, guys.
618.40.
If we crack this, we're gonna make new highs.
618.
Yeah, if we crack this, we're gonna make new highs.
618.40 was my price target. 618.43. If I try shorting this, I'm going to go in the money, like 619 put. But I need to see them take out 617.80s and then I'll jump in and try to chase it to previous close or something. But as of right now, we're still bullish. Still bullish.
Mara? Where's Mara at? Wow, I wanted to buy Mara on Sunday. Motherfucker. Yep, Mara. Look at Mara, guys. This is beautiful. Damn it. And Mara looked great, guys. Wow, 11% from Sunday.
Six 1840s. I'm waiting for you to tell me I was right, Dimitri.
You're right.
No, you guys say it like you mean it.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my $700 loss.
Watch as soon as you exit. I need to see Q's crack 548.50, and I want to see SPY under 617.80 for me to be interested in a short. You have Mara still, Ryan? What's your average? Like 13, 14 bucks? Nice. Oh, buddy, they're short squeezing right now. Choi. Look at QQQ's chart. Every pullback's been eaten up.
Mara, $17.
Until we put in a lower high and start cutting through some of these demand zones, that's when I would look for a short. Or you see some type of trap come in, like a big breakout and a crazy wick above, something. 618.40s is my price target. I wish I held my calls. My fucking bottom ticked. Yep, there you go. Blast off. Hope nobody was shorting this.
Oh shit, I'm down 2,400. How the what happened? Oh my god, I was looking at Mara.
618.40.
I'm down 3,000.
I'm shorting this. I'm going to try it. 619 put. It's pre-market.
This is macro sloping resistance, guys. Macro sloping resistance.
I got slipped like crazy on this. Wow, that's fucked. I hit the top of that wick and they slipped me negative 4 cents.
Monday's high to Tuesday's high sloping resistance.
I'm in 619 puts.
Guys, Mara has an empty pocket to 1750.
You see the power that bulls have still? Even at the top, how easy it is for them to step on the gas and launch. If we clear this level, I'm just jumping out. I'm not going to risk it. This is pre-market. This is yesterday's supply we're approaching. This is the best area to try. All the bears should be squeezed already, so if they blast out of here, then forget about it. We're just going to continue to squeeze today. So this is the last short. This is the only short that I'm really going to try. Just because of what's to the left of us. Major supply to the left of us. Dude, it's just, Ryan, it's like the bulls just have so much power even at the top. Like they can just step on the gas and just fucking rocket ship this thing. Told you guys, it's like when we're at all-time highs, it's like a vacuum. It's so easy for them to just hit the gas and go up. Some volatility coming in. What's going on here? I think we're gonna
Put the call.
I think we're gonna take another fucking blast off north. Look at
There's
QQQ.
200,000 more calls than puts.
This is the best area to try it. I'm gonna try it. I'll try to stay in for a cycle or two. I'm not gonna add or anything to this. I'm down 8 cents here. I got slipped like crazy when I got into this play. If we clear 618.70s and close above, I'm just gonna get out. QQQ is just a monster. Every single red candle's been bought up, so.
Wow, macro sloping resistance broke. Holy shit, they're gonna fly.
Yeah, it's a fucking short squeeze, buddy. It's a short squeeze. That one candle cost me $2,000. Dangerous game adding here. I'm not going to double. I just added 50. QQQ still looking crazy bullish. If I can just get out break even on this, I think I will. I'm not even looking for profit anymore. Everything's still bullish. Yep. They're going to go. They want to go. Are we at all-time highs?
No.
What's all-time high? 619.20.
All right, I took a loss, guys. I'm down 3,000 on the day.
You took a loss at supply. This is the last
I
area.
took a loss. We're going to 619.75.
How do you have 619.75 as a price target? What is that?
Market highs.
No. Pre-market high is... This is pre-market high. This is pre-market high right here. 618.75.
619.75 is pre-market highs.
No, it's not. What fucking pre-market are you looking at?
US.
Oh. Where? Oh, you're right. That's new all-time highs.
Correct.
Intraday.
I did not want to trade today, honestly. I gave back $3,000 for no reason. I'm not going to trade today, guys. I did not want to trade today.
That's all right. I'm getting squeezed if it makes you feel any better. Look at the fucking short squeeze on QQQ still. Not one red candle since 10:20. We haven't had a red candle. I'm throwing another 50 on. This is basically supply from yesterday right here. If I can get out break even on this, I will. Finally, some selling pressure. The 10:30 reversal, Adam. Let's see. I got 206.19 puts. Everything is still looking stupid bullish, though. We got to crack like 618.30 for me to get excited. But I'll probably sell before that. I'll be in a good amount of profit there. Contracts, my average price is $1.14, right? Like $1.06. Diddy guilty? Oh, snap. That dude's about to get life in prison, man.
Who's guilty?
Diddy.
Nice.
I don't know if they can get him on that racketeering shit, though. I was watching there was like some documentary I was watching. Was he not guilty, though, on racketeering? They're going to just run him broke. He'll have to pay a lot of money. Look at the fucking power Bulls have. Can't even get out of this. Dude, I had 4,000 on the day. I'm at $700 on the day now trying to short this stupid shit. I know. I don't want to get caught into that game, though, Ryan. The little higher game, and they just keep stair-stepping. I need like 618.50 to touch.
IV is very low, so I think they're going to go slowly step up all day.
Look at the Qs, man.
It makes sense.
Look at the Qs. Look at the Qs chart. It's just little tiny bodies, and they just push it up, push it up, push it up. I wish I held my calls from the bottom. Frig. Oh, you been in longs, Ryan? Nice. I miss when the market was at 500. So much more fun.
Volatility. Now, today and tomorrow, as you said, it's going to be horrible volatility. I don't want to trade tomorrow.
I don't think tomorrow's going to be a good day to trade. Because whatever move that they do today, they're probably just going to burn it sideways tomorrow. I'm still in puts.
Take my knee.
I'm still in puts. You can get that loss back, dude.
I don't want to trade.
But look at
It is disgusting to trade.
QQQ is still rocking and rolling, man. QQQ is still rocking and rolling. This might flip me red on the day if we blast off from here. That would piss me off. I had 4,000. Fucking market makers took my lunch. Yep, I'm gonna flip red. Wow. That sucks. There's still no reason to short this. We just cleaned out pre-market. We cleaned out yesterday's highs without even a pullback. Nothing. Not one single pullback. We got cloud conditions. Everything's super bullish. I just gave back $4,200. I'll risk like $1,000 red on the day. Let's see if we get a cycle up here. Oh, it's raining. What the hell? Nice job, Ryan.
Oh, nice. $4,500. Shut it down.
No, stats. Today's not the day to touch SPX. We're not moving. Even if you try to go long on SPX, you're gonna get probably fucking chewed up.
Today and tomorrow is not the day to trade, guys. I did not want to trade today.
I'm still holding my puts. I'm $300 green on the day. I need them to take out 618.60. 618.
And they keep going up, Ryan.
Yeah, I know.
Look at the cloud conditions.
Oh, it's fucking disgusting, dude. I'm pissed I stepped in front of this. No pullbacks at all. Every red candle is bought up. Unless they throw a lightning trap candle in, but the conditions are just so bullish. Let's see if MACD tries to roll over here or not. My contracts are okay because I went in the money, so that's the only thing that's saving my ass right now since I have 619s. If I went 618s, those things would have been wrecked. What are 618s now? 50 cents. Come on. Look at how weak the sellers are. MACD's trying to roll over. Let's see.
Yeah, they really dumped volatility today.
Oh, buddy, this is a fucking short squeeze and a half. I'm about to turn my fuck it mode on right now. I'm so pissed I just gave back all my gains and now I'm red. Not one cycle. Guys, this is very difficult to trade. There's no reason to enter puts right now. Market is just going up, 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 up. I don't recommend buying calls up here, but it'd probably fucking work. I'm still holding puts. Like a fucking moron. What's Monday's high? 619.20s. I'm going to add another 50 to this. This fucking day's ridiculous now. Sit here and hold hopes that this short squeeze ends. What's the ratio? Oh, wow.
903 versus 680.
What the hell? Why are they pushing it up?
Because it's a holiday. Don't forget. When it's the holiday, they're gonna close it at all-time highs. Everybody and their mothers are gonna talk at the dinner table how good it is to invest in the stock market. It keeps going up, 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 up. And then next week or in 2 weeks, they're gonna dump it, royal flush. It's always like that. They do this on purpose. We're gonna go higher, guys. If you have calls, keep holding them. We're gonna keep going higher. We're gonna go to 620 today.
Yeah, I'm getting fucking treatment now. I'm getting the treatment. All right, what do we do? Let's try to think logically here. There's no reason to short this. And it's too dangerous to go long. So, no trade. I am stuck in 619 puts. I'm down quite a bit of sense. Ooh, what's going on? Oh, this might be my saving grace. Oh, buddy. Oh, fucking buddy.
Wow.
Oh, wow. I'm up.
Did you exit?
I'm up 8,000 on the day. I just sold 150. I'm still holding 100. Let's see if they trap, trap,
Wow,
trap.
you are lucky.
Let's see if
Wow.
they trap, 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 trap. Holy fuck. I'm just going to start. I'm punching myself out. I'm all out. I'm all out. 84.50. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What the fuck, man? Holy shit.
Good job. This is the volatility I like.
Oh, wow. That was a gift. Thank you, sweet baby Jesus, for that gift. I wouldn't short this candle, though, guys. I would not short this candle. This
This is
might be
sloping support.
this might be a shakeout for bulls because of the call side is a lot heavier, unless they really fucking trap. No, I did the right thing by getting out. I did the right thing. Holy shit. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start trading. I like this volatility finally.
84. Yeah, I mean, I really didn't know what to do, guys. I got stuck. It's not I wouldn't really call that good trading on my part. I tried shorting pre-market and I tried shorting yesterday's high and it didn't work and I was just squeezed like crazy. Doctor, doctor, doctor.
That's hilarious.
Look at the fucking slingshot though. I bet you they're gonna fucking punch this thing straight back north.
Yeah, that's hilarious. Ryan G, that's hilarious. I love it.
Wow. That was great.
Yeah, I think that was the shakeout candle
That
to
was,
get all the bulls out,
dude,
and they're gonna go
that was
north
a
now.
gift. That was a gift. Yeah. Just because the put to call the there's still a lot more bulls on the board. Yeah, there's a lot more bulls on the board. Damn, could you guys hear the thunder? Hold on, I'll be right back. Give me like 2 minutes. I gotta go get my lunch.
Super bullish. Good job, done. Good job.
Okay, I'm back. I got my lunch. Did anybody go long off that pullback? I bet you'd be punching new high right now.
Yeah.
Fast, too. They're just trying to shake bulls out. They want to go north still. Den, how'd you do? Oh, dude, fucking
Buddy, I'm
five.
so happy you sold everything. You usually hold runners.
Oh, thank God. It just didn't. It doesn't make sense. I mean, I was just that candle was a gift. The only thing I can think of this candle right now was it's a shakeout candle for them to continue north. I didn't think they would have trapped that far, to be honest with you. I thought I was going to get break even. I ended up flipping fucking very. It was like a $9,000 candle because I was red $1,000. I think they're just gonna. I think they're gonna burn this sucker
This is an
sideways.
algo.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful algo.
Well, while we wait for some volatility, is there any other tickers you guys want to look at? Tesla? Look at QQQ fucking blasting off still. They're going to make another high, guys. They're going to make another high. You're in bull.
Oh yeah, QQQ's breaking the fuck out. QQQ just broke major resistance, guys. Major resistance QQQ just broke.
It's going to be a
QQQ's
vacuum.
gonna fuck skyrocket.
It's going to be a vacuum right now.
Wow, QQQ broke major resistance, guys. QQQ got empty pockets, guys. Bullish, guys. Super bullish for QQQ. 551 is next for QQQ. Let's see if SPY cooperates, though. SPY
It's
channel trading.
dangerous game to short this though on SPY. I don't want to get stuck into the same type of shit I was just stuck in. I might leave it alone. If we start getting some more cycles, I'll take another trade or two. Tesla, let's see. Tesla is looking bullish. Tesla's looking bullish. I'm bullish on Tesla above 300. We had a nice pop in pre-market. They took it down and now they're doing a V shape. Like 320 is probably 319, 320 would be a price target if you're long. A realistic, reasonable price target. UNH is done. UNH is a dud. UNH is a dud.
UNH is a very low beta stock.
UNH is done.
Don't focus on low beta stocks.
Yeah, Arthur,
Focus on high beta stocks.
I don't know if you remember when I went long on UNH a couple weeks ago when we had that crazy dump to like 240 something. But that was like their dead cat bounce, and now they're just gonna burn sideways. Dude, you got to realize something on UNH, man. They gave back. Let's see. They gave back 5 years of gains in a month. 5 years of gains from 2020. Actually, yeah, almost to March of 2020. They took back all those gains. 5 years of slow grinding up. So that little bounce we had, I think that was it. And it's going to take some time for them to get back into the 400s. I know
Where's UNH right now?
there's just
You got
sideways.
shares at 300.
There's sideways. 300 is a good demand. That was my stop zone for my options that I hit. 300, but they ended up cracking.
UNH has a beautiful head and shoulders. UNH is gonna dump. Ah, what a beautiful head and shoulders. UNH price target 305. 306. UNH is gonna dump.
They're trying to build a little sloping support off of 300. Dude, you're gonna end up sitting in that sucker for years, man. That's the only thing. So
Yeah,
I know somebody that's playing the long game on UNH. He has a shitload of shares, but when I talk to him about it, he doesn't plan on selling it for years. So it's just like it's like a good stock portfolio buy. Just look at it that way. I don't think you're gonna make a crazy 200% return off of it anytime soon. But money doesn't flow into the low beta stocks like Dimitri said. They don't move fast like Tesla and Apple. You're not going to see crazy $50, $60 days anymore. That bounce that we had out of 240, 250, that bounce is an exception just because we sold off $300 in a month, and we had zero bounces.
yeah,
Yeah,
exactly, Arthur.
if you're gonna
If you're
hold it,
looking at a couple of years,
it's a
yeah,
good
it's
stock
fine.
buy. It's a good portfolio buy, but
Yeah.
you're gonna be
I
sitting.
personally don't like that racetrack that you're on. That's just my personal preference. I like the super fast jet fuel
Yeah,
racetrack.
it's a rotisserie
Like I can
chicken.
make 10,000. I can make 10,000 in like 10 minutes. Why would I make 10,000 in years? Like it's stupid for me. But everybody's on their own racetrack.
It's a rotisserie chicken.
I don't like that holding racetrack, honestly.
Have you seen Oracle? Look at the fucking bullishness on Oracle, man.
Just
Wow,
depends on the racetrack you're in.
Oracle's looking
You
crazy
could go to the
bullish.
bank and make 3% a year, 2% a year. You can try SPX options and make fucking 100% in 2 minutes. Just depends.
Do you see Oracle, Dimitri?
Yeah. What is Oracle? What
Oracle's
is it? ORCL?
yeah, Oracle's a monster. Look at the daily on Oracle.
Yeah, Oracle's bullish. Look at the fucking wow. Oracle has supply here. Oracle has very strong supply here.
SMCI. SMCI. Super
Only thing I
Microcomputers.
only thing I can advise you guys is that if you guys are losing money, focus on one ticker. Being all over the place and following the herd, following social media sentiment, following volatility sentiment on different tickers is gonna divert your mind into the real money. The real money is in SPY. Telling you guys, I used to be that person also. Penny stocks, Teslas, this, that. I don't care now. It's just focus your mind and chart your best abilities on one ticker.
SMCI is in a channel. Joey, this is SMCI's channel. Since last year.
Adam, I think Robinhood is going to be a $1 trillion company in the future.
Robinhood?
Yeah, I think it's going to be a $1 trillion company.
I
I
mean,
like Robinhood a lot.
it's fucking dude, it makes sense. They're the way that they structure their so how do they make money? They make money off of their slippage, right? Is that correct?
They make money off of commissions, correct? Slippage, yeah.
Off of
They make money
slippage.
off of order. Every single order, they make money.
So it's not like it's not like Charles Schwab where they make money off of commissions. they make money off of slippage. So like those price, like you know how you get price improvements on Thinkorswim.
You
I don't think they.
Citadel gives them fucking doors, and they sell a door to you, and for every door they sell, they get like 1% or a fraction of a cent. And can you imagine how many fucking fills they have? If that
Yeah,
makes sense.
yeah, because there's a lot of people probably trading on Robinhood versus Charles
Oh, all the
Schwab.
retards are trading on Robinhood.
Yeah, I would assume
All
that
of
there's
them.
probably more people trading on that platform than what
Oh,
we do.
absolutely. Absolutely. All the retards are trading on Robinhood. No offense if you guys are on Robinhood. But anybody trading on Robinhood is a retard, honestly.
Dude, Dimitri, you changed my life. I'm serious about that. How many years
I'm
did you
not
beg
even
me to get off of freaking Robinhood?
I'm not even lying, guys. Anybody trading on Robinhood is a complete moron.
Besides
It's the
Shannon.
worst broker ever.
Besides you, Shannon.
So many fucking restrictions on Robinhood is disgusting. I trade on Robinhood for my parents' account, correct?
But dude,
You know what it is?
look at the options, Joey. When market opens, you can't even sell your options right away. Your
You
swings,
can't.
they 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 close your positions out at 3:30. Like little shit like that, dude. That's cheating in my opinion. Fucking make rules like that. Yeah, not on same days though. You can't trade same days until 4:15 on Robinhood.
If you can't do one thing, that's a garbage broker. You're not supposed to be limited in this sick, twisted games, guys.
We're already limited.
Oh, they did this. Oh, they did that. Now they're improving this, bro. They should have had this from day one.
Look at the bullishness still. We got beautiful sloping support. We just made a new high. Now a higher low. Let's see if we try to punch a higher high here.
Wow, QQQ is fucking going.
Still, yeah.
QQQ formed that major supply area into a demand now on the 5 minute time frame.
This is a short squeeze.
QQQ looking like it's gonna blast off right now, guys.
This is a short squeeze. If I've ever seen one. I can't believe I got that gift. That candle. That saved my ass. Okay, just out of curiosity, because I hit calls at the bottom today. My first trade was at 9:32. 617 calls at $1.12. What are 617 calls now? $2.30.
It's nothing though.
Yeah.
Market went up so much and there's so little.
Yep. Yep. What do you mean, Adam? No, I started shorting at pre-market. Pre-market yesterday's top in this cluster at 6 o'clock. I guess I was squeezed like a motherfucker, dude. I was squeezed, and there was really nothing I could do. I literally, as I was talking about it, I was like, what can I do here? Because we were just going up, 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 up. There's no cycles. Oh, you're saying Dimitri sold, so it gave me a gift? Oh, buddy, we're small fish in this big pond. I had 250 same days at they were like 84 cents. I mean, that's not enough to move a candle. A half a
Oh,
cent.
Ryan, I forgot to tell you.
What?
I saw a documentary about Osama bin Laden yesterday on Netflix.
Mm-hmm.
That it took them like 10 years to kill that fucker.
Yeah.
You were part of that war, right? That battle or whatever it was. That whole decade of searching, right?
Yeah, I wasn't at that. That was all like special forces dudes.
Okay,
That was like a
that's wild.
yeah. I was
It's a good watch, by the way. Did you watch it? It's
no.
like 3 episodes. It's a miniature series on Netflix. Osama bin Laden.
Yeah, yes.
Anybody saw it?
I want to watch it. Yeah, dude, the way
It's a
they
really
did
good
that,
watch.
the way they did that was amazing. They had like custom helicopters built so their exhausts weren't loud, and they came into his
Yeah,
compound.
really good watch.
One of the helicopters crashed there. Crashed into his compound when they were going there. Did they show that in the documentary?
They did.
Yeah. It's fucking wild.
I just don't want to spoil it. Well, you know already, but
Yeah, I
it's a
know.
great documentary.
I know like the chain of events that happened, but yeah, it's fucking cool. Was it like did they do like reenactments of it?
No, no, no. They actually interviewed the real people, everybody.
That's cool.
So it was really cool how Netflix actually directed all that.
There was a big thing about that for a while because they I don't know how what the documentary showed, but when they went into the room, he was holding one of his wives hostage when they popped him,
Uh-huh.
and I guess multiple people shot at him. So there was like a couple of soldiers that said that they killed him, but they don't know who exactly killed him because there was like 3 or 4 dudes that came barging in the room. Look at QQQ breaking out again.
QQQ got an empty pocket, guys. 40 cents empty pocket here.
Dude, they lit up Osama bin Laden's brother. Did you see that? Did they talk about that?
They talk about all of the accomplices, all the leaders, everything. It's a really good
No, no,
documentary.
no. When they actually went into his house, one of the special forces guys was yelling his name in Arabic, like whispering it to him, and he was in the
Uh-huh.
stairwell, and he's like whispering like his name, his brother's name, and he popped his head out and
Yeah.
fucking boop. He's probably fucking walking around in his robe. There's 10 fucking special force operators in your house pointing lasers at you. Could you imagine? Oh,
I would feel safe.
walking out of his kitchen eating hummus. He's like, hello, hello, hello. Fucking. Look at
It's a good watch.
QQQ. Look at QQQ. QQQ is still grinding. They're still grinding. Big part of me wants to try to short this, but there's no reason to. I know there's supply here, but QQQ doesn't have any type of cycle. They're just pushing north.
I'm gonna short this when we break the channel. We're in the channel right now. I just posted a screenshot. That's when I'm gonna short it. Once channel breaks, I'm shorting.
61860s. I want to see them get below that. Wherever that lines up with your channel, I don't know.
Yeah, that's exactly where the channel is. Right now, or they're just fucking around with the channel. I don't want to touch this.
We have a bearish divergence. Squeeze is still here, bullish. Cloud conditions are bullish. QQQ still a monster. Patel's printing money. Let's go, Den. Nice job, Den. I mean, dude calls us the way until it doesn't work. Every pullback's been bought up. Me personally, I would not go long here just because of what you guys witnessed on that powerful trap random red death bar. If you're in calls at the top and they throw in the trap candle, good luck. That's my only concern. That's why I'm being super hesitant about getting in again. But everybody and their sister, cousin, brother, everybody's probably shorting up here, so it needs to get to the point where the the bears are just so exhausted, that's when they start doing cycles at the top and burning the bulls.
MC's putting in work, baby.
Jim C.
Yeah. Guys, I just got into calls.
And Spy?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Bottom of the channel, POC, and QQQ has an empty pocket. This is why I got calls.
Whoa. I don't know, man.
If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but the channel might break. I'm in 0 dates also. It's fucked up. This is the bottom of the channel, guys. Exactly here. Channel breaks, guys. We're going to VWAP. Fast.
I don't think I'm going to
Empty
participate.
pocket down.
I'm not going to participate.
One, two, three, 4 touch points. This channel is very strong.
Dude. 618 450 50, yeah, 618 58, somewhere in there. They got to hold that. That's crucial. Maybe a little bit lower.
I took a loss, guys. I'm all out. $600 loss. Channel broke and closed below it. I'm down $3,600 on the day, buddy.
This is right here.
2 for 2 losses.
You took a loss right at demand at bounce zone, though. They could bounce this sucker right here.
My channel broke and it closed below it.
QQQ still sloping support. Strong sloping support, QQQ. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
We're gonna dump, guys. Price target VWAP. Did I just fucking get inputs right now?
I would go long off of this. Risk to reward.
This is an empty pocket.
But are they gonna break it? I don't think they're gonna break it.
I'm in puts, guys. Same days.
Oh God.
Trading like fucking Carter right now.
Oh God. I hope they break it. I'll at least see you flip green on the day.
Um, Say the truth. I hate today. I did not want to trade today.
Could have just went long with me in the morning when you said I was being a degen. You big bear.
I want to add.
Let them break. Because they might do a fake and break and put in a big candle and then a nasty bounce. So be careful. This is, in my opinion, is the best area to try a long here. QQQ still has sloping support.
Technically, we're supposed to go down. Sloping support broke. But market is fuckery.
Today turned out to be a crappy day. I thought it was going to be nice out. Demetrius.
I would have been green if I had my calls held.
Yeah, you bought puts at demand, buddy. Look at the bounce zone. I said 58, 618, 58. And look at where they bounced.
Want to add. Hang up. Bear cycle should start. ratio.
What'd you say?
200,000 more puts. Look at the bearish volume that's coming in right now, and price is not going down. Wow. Consolidation. From my parents' account, yeah, I have nothing. I have 0 date 619 puts. For my parents' account, I have July 31st, 617 puts.
Oh, Dimitri, it worked. Stripe worked.
It's pure speculation, Jay. I'm telling you, the market keeps going up, 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 up.
Dimitri,
Sorry?
the Stripe
What?
thing just got verified.
Oh, without even me?
Yeah, could you check yours to make sure it's there's stuff in there? Did it go through?
I mean, it's the same bank account, no?
I know. I just want to make sure it's because it's different card numbers. I just want to make sure it's the same.
Okay, I will check later. I'm pissed off, honestly. I'm fucking. I can make one crazy trade right now and get back. I'm just really pissed off how today is panning out.
I mean, we have a little sloping resistance right here. We just got to take out 618.60, 58. I think you're okay.
You just gotta give me right now 36.75, 38.75, and I'll be happy.
How about this? How about you open up your SPX?
No. Oh. Fucking annoying this market, honestly. Everybody's shorting, guys. Everybody's shorting. They're gonna break out right now.
Because you got to know when to hold them.
I just took a loss, guys. I'm out. This is ridiculous. I'm down 4,100 on the day. Up today.
Do you want me to help you?
No. No, I made crazy money this week. It's fine. 4,100 is nice tax money. It's fine.
Just measly donation. Measly market donation. Sloping resistance is breaking. Bulls are still here.
They're gonna take the highs out. Everybody's shorting.
I know, Choi Choi. We should just start the hedge fund. I think that's probably our best bet. What do you think, Dimitri?
No, I would never start a hedge fund.
I think it's a great idea.
It's too much. It's too much liability.
Well, you have to have like a risk tolerance threshold. I'd say no options, just SPXS and SPXL.
Too much work, honestly. It's too much work.
The hardest part is figuring out everybody's like what everybody like the percentage that they put into the pot is the percentage that they get back on profits. That's the hardest part to figure out. You have to do it like weekly.
It's too much work, I'm telling you. The reward is not there. Buddy, you can hit a fucking 1 minute trade for 10,000. You're gonna work your ass off for like 10,000 in fucking fees. It's not worth it.
No, if I'm talking if we pulled up like $5 million.
From where?
I don't know. The atmosphere.
$5 million. You're insane. It's nothing. $5 million.
I know, but 5 million. If we day traded SPXS and SPXL with a chunk like that, we can make easy 30,000-40,000 a day.
Yeah, you would need to use a substantial account size though.
Exactly. A hedge fund account.
No, like the $5 million account, but you would have to use a lot of it.
Yeah,
I don't
exactly.
like that.
Yeah. QQQ, Adam, I'd like to see the Qs under 549.60.
Oh, buddy, QQQ is at strong level now. This is huge level for QQQ, and it's consolidating at that level. We're gonna break out like crazy, I think, Adam. We're gonna go up right now. A Russell is at sloping resistance. QQQ is at strong demand slash supply. And SPY is at highs. What the fuck do you guys think is gonna happen right now? Look at this setup. I see. This is such a good long setup, guys. A breakout coming setup.
Does anybody know if Diddy actually got sentenced today? Joey, do you know? I'm curious. Everything I'm reading is like a mixed verdict. Maximum penalty of 10 years. Maximum penalty of 10 years. Somebody with that type of money, he's going to go to a vacation home for 12 months and be on probation. Yeah. He'll pay his way out of that. QQQ is trying to break down. SPY's triple top. Dimitri, you could probably try, I don't know. Might try a short here. It would work. To 61860s. Back to
There's
this
no
channel.
volatility. There's no continuation.
I know, but you see this
Wow, Adam, you're right.
this channel here between
Wow, Adam was
619.
right. We just broke strong demand from Qs. Let's see if we hold it. Qs just broke strong demand. Should I held my fucking puts? I miss when the VIX was $30, $40.
Oh yeah, dude. We do so much better in bear market. Who was the guy that was in the Discord that made like freaking $40,000 that one day by accident? You remember that?
Yeah, he was the bitch that fucking canceled. He blew up after.
He canceled his membership and said he wanted his money back, and this guy hit a $46,000 trade. I think he paid us like $200.
Because he blew up after.
Unbelievable.
Euphoria kicked in.
I remember he was like, who the hell was that guy?
Cookie cutter.
Was it? It was SPX, right?
Cookie cutter, yeah. Oh wow, look at this. Adam, you are the champion, buddy. Good job. How the fuck did you see this, Adam?
I still think
Good
they
job.
I still think they got demand on Q's. I'm not bearish unless Q's breaks 549.60.
Oh, Q's, look at Q's.
That's what I'm looking at.
Q's just Q's
549.60.
just broke.
Right here.
Q's just broke.
Right here. 549.60.
549.06. They want to go lower, guys.
No, this is bounce zone right here. Did you just jump in?
No, my friend just texted me. Wow.
You gonna fire up that baseball bat today?
I did last night.
You did?
Yeah.
That thing's ridiculous.
I finished it last night. I got blasted last
Oh
night.
my god. General alerts.
Look at that fuckery.
Yep, QQQ bounced.
I'll be right back.
Get your lunch. We're consolidating at the top. We are still consolidating at the top. You bought Weeble shares? I'm gonna hold. What's Weeble? What's Weeble at? $10. Open on the market 60 or something. Dump just like Robinhood. Yeah. I bought Robinhood's IPO. I remember when Robinhood came out. They only let me buy a certain amount. When they IPO'd. Yeah, man, you could have bought Robinhood last year. Well, the beginning of last year at freaking $10. Wild.
You know when Robinhood is gonna go like crazy go when they admit it to the S&P 500.
Do you think they will?
Absolutely. Robinhood makes money.
What do they make? Revenue. Their 1 year price target is $75.
And that Vlad guy, he cleans up shop nicely, man. He reduces all expenses. Their main expense is marketing. They are the leaders in marketing. They spend a lot of money in marketing.
Q1, their revenue was 933 million and their income was 336 million. But Q4 of last year, their income was 916 million and their revenue was $1 billion. Why is there such a big discrepancy from last year? What happened last year in Q4? It's interesting. Dude, you know that they showed a loss in 2023 and 2022? 21, 22, 23, they showed a loss. Do you know that?
I didn't
Demetrius?
know that.
Yeah.
I don't follow Robinhood. I just follow the
When was the
technicals.
GameStop shit? It was 2021, right?
Probably, yeah.
They had a $3.69 billion loss. They made $1.84 billion and their net income was negative 3.6 billion. Hmm. Interesting.
I have 620 calls on my screen, guys. 620.
Oh, look at that fresh high.
I'm in calls, guys. I know this is the horrible, horrible place to get calls. Let's see. Name one retard that gets calls here, guys.
If QQQ flips this and they try to shoot it out, you should be fine. Just
Let's go.
kind of a little risky on your part though, the entry.
My average is 44 cents, Ryan.
Oh, you're freaking out the money.
Yeah. I got 200 contracts.
QQQ's at POC. If QQQ flips this and they head to a double top, SPY should get freaking pushed. They should push them.
Oh, buddy. I think we're gonna fucking fly right now. Everybody's shorting this.
I agree with you.
Come on, just give me some coin. I want to get back today.
I agree with you.
Mm,
I just don't like your entry.
A
That's all.
$9,000 position right now. I have 200 contracts.
That's a cheap 200 contract position.
It's super cheap.
I'm just watching this show. There you go.
So,
How's your delta?
I'm up 10% here. I'm gonna print right now, Ryan. Let's go. This could be a potential 100% play right now.
Nobody's fucking buying calls up here.
Nobody. I have 620 same days, 200 of them. Come on, I'm up 1100. If I'm
Nobody.
up 40, if I'm up another 3200, I'm selling.
QQQ's got to pick up the gas though. QQQ.
Ugh, I just lost all my gains. Now I'm red. 100, $300.
Nobody.
Please blast off. Fucked up. That's fucked up. This is the easiest textbook short. You think they're gonna give it to them? Ugh, QQQ made a lower high, guys. QQQ made a lower high. That's not good.
Nobody. Boom, boom, boom.
My win ratio was bad today. I have 0 winning trades.
I mean, to be completely fair, you did buy calls at the top. It was more of a gamble.
Reverse psychology. Ugh. 38 cents. I feel like Team Raw right now.
Let's buy
44-cent position.
Have you seen Broadcom lately? No.
What happened with Broadcom? AVGO. What happened to Broadcom? Oh wow, Broadcom's bullish. Very nice. As for value, financial fundamental value, Adam, Broadcom is very undervalued still. I looked at their financials. Broadcom is still a good value stock. Make crazy money.
Crazy.
They fucking their revenue. What's Netflix doing? NFLX. Netflix is fucking wild. Wow. Netflix is crazy. Netflix is a good short, guys. I like Netflix short. Wow. Look what they're doing at the fucking high of day with SPY.
I think they'll go. Probably just gotta give it time.
I mean, my contracts are evaporating slowly. They're at 40 cents right now. I'm just looking at the conditions on the 30-minute chart, Adam. Conditions look like they want to go down a little bit more.
They're still grinding, Dimitri, but QQQ's showing weakness now. MACD's going sideways. Um,
You know what's crazy? The 5-day moving average is catching up on SPY. 5-day moving average at 616 now. We could keep going higher and higher and higher now, guys. Wild. 5-day moving average is creeping up so nicely on SPY right now. It's just consolidating at the top. How long have they been paying bulls out already?
they've been paying bulls since 480.
No, like on this recent cycle right here, since last Monday. Since last Monday, June 23rd, they've been paying bulls exponentially. Wow, crazy. %50 from Monday. 605? I doubt it though. Oh, I'm green $100 here. Today is such a dreadful day. It's disgusting cloudy. Come on, give me one breakout and I'm out. Beautiful. Keep going, baby. Bring me to the promised land, buddy. Let's go. Come on, come on. Oh, buddy, if these contracts are in the money, they're gonna fucking explode. Let's go. Ryan, you seeing this? Nation. Yeah, yeah, Adam. Once they go in the money, the delta spike is nice. I agree. I can easily imagine these fuckers going 100% right now. It's just the IV is so low.
Oh, was my mic on? Did you hear what I said before?
No, I only heard you now.
Oh no, I said I was gonna end the stream, but you're breaking out, so I'm waiting. Are you green?
Oh, buddy, today's stream is disgusting. I'm down 3,400 on the day.
Dude, I got God's gift today, so that's why my broker's off. That one candle, that 1044 candle was the biggest red candle that we had today, and it was an instant bounce after. So that was a gift.
You know, the funny part is that I don't even have any history here. I don't know when the hell to sell. Let me see TOS chart. Okay, I want. Oh, we just hit 50. Yeah, we hit supply. Yeah, 619.50 is supply.
We just got a whole bunch of new laws that went in effect today in Florida. Swatting is now a felony.
What laws?
If you swat somebody, it's a
Squatting?
swatting. You never heard of swatting?
Oh,
Like calling the cops on somebody else?
no, what is that?
Never heard somebody getting swatted before? Like if you call the cops on someone?
Like a snitch?
No, like you call the cops and tell them that you're being held hostage at this house, and then they come and break the door down and they get swatted. That's what it's called. Dexter's Law increased sentences for animal cruelty by 25%, longer sentences. I like that. That's cool. Super speeder law. Drivers caught going more than 50 miles an hour over the speed limit, over 100 miles an hour, serious penalty. 30 days in jail. Wow.
Adam, I like Lulu a lot. There's a bullish divergence on the daily time frame, and Lulu makes a shit ton of money, Adam. If you could stomach a hold for a couple of years, I like Lulu. Lulu like makes a lot of money. You know what other company is like Lulu? What is that company? Ulta? ULTA? Where's Ulta at? Oh shit, Ulta, we missed the bus. Lulu is gonna have exactly the same chart as Ulta. Lulu makes crazy money. Good hold for shares. Wow, damn, we missed the train ride on Ulta. Damn it. That was such a nice dip buy. I'm up 300 bucks. Should I just take it? This is ridiculous.
It's just a slow day.
500 bucks.
It's a slow burn. I'm waiting for QQQ to flip this supply and try to take another leg up, and then you should go into blast off mode. That's what I'm thinking. It just seems that MACD
It's above it.
everything. No, I get the supply on Qs is like 550.30. I'm talking like this little micro supply here. 550.30 if they take a power move above that and then try to push into a fresh high. 550.30.
I mean, if they want to dump, they could dump like crazy fast right now on SPY.
It just seems that
Uh,
everything is so bears are just so crushed.
200,000 more calls than puts also.
Oh, MJ, I just saw your message. Interesting.
What did he say?
He said at 10:44 that big red candle there was news. Right at 10:44
Investigate
from
that chair.
from Trump. No, it was a Trump tariff talk about Vietnam. Interesting. But it's still bullish. Yeah. Vietnam's got no fucking money. Vietnam is such a poor country. It's such a beautiful country too, and it's poor. Are you green? No.
I'm down 4 cents, 3 cents on my contracts. I'm surprised they're holding up.
There's nothing left to evaporate.
No, I'm at 44 cents. It's at 41 cents right now. Not bad. Come on. I just want a nice little pop.
Little pop. Little tap it in. Tap
I
that
know they're
thing.
gonna pop it and then dump it. I know they're gonna do that. Fucking switch sides right away then after.
You tap it in.
You know the number one stock of the year is Palantir.
Is it
Number
really?
one runner.
No way.
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, year to date, it's the best.
Better than Nvidia? Well, I guess Nvidia kind of just stalled out when they split. They didn't really push past 140. Not like they did last year where they were just cranking. Have any of you guys looked at MSTR in a while? MSTR.
Should be bullish today.
MSTR.
All Bitcoin stocks are bullish, no?
Yeah. MSTR is crazy, man.
They had a nice dump yesterday just to get in.
MSTR has wild, wild price action.
All right. I think I'm gonna take a loss. What is that? My fourth loss today? Doing so good today, guys.
Gotta wait for some
Well,
volatility to pick up.
all right. I'm shutting this bitch down. $5,100 just to hang out with you guys. Been a pleasure.
Oh, shut up. You fucking. You're still super green on the week.
I am, but it's fine. $5,100 just like that. Dust.
Into dust.
Into dust. All right, dude. I'm gonna log off.
Yeah, I'm gonna axe the stream if you're done. I'm done.
Yeah, I'm done.
My broker's been off for
I'm
a
also
minute.
probably not gonna trade tomorrow also. I don't want to trade tomorrow also, so we'll see.
Yeah, I have a feeling tomorrow's gonna be a burn.
Yeah, it's
I wouldn't be surprised if they gap
Did
down.
not follow my rule.
I wouldn't be surprised if they gap down tomorrow and just hang back out in like that 616 area and just go sideways again. I
The
don't know.
meat grinder zone, yeah.
Yeah. So, all right, I'm gonna end the broadcast then. You guys good?
Look at that. When
Everybody
I
good?
take a loss, I would have been up right now.
Really?
Take care, everyone. This is bullshit. I'm not gonna trade stats tomorrow. I'm probably not gonna even go live tomorrow. I don't know.
I'll be
We'll
on.
see.
I'll be on stats. I will be on, but it's probably tomorrow's going to be one of those like catch the opening 30 40 minutes of the market open and that's going to be it.
Yeah.
So,
Both of my kids are home tomorrow.
all right, buddy. I'm
All right,
going to
take
head
care.
to the gym. All right, I'll see you guys.